Hey guys, and welcome back. So we did the drag, the overall drag as well as the drag on the droplets. And if we look at this sim, which is the original one, you can see that we still have a very strong splash. So whether we affect the droplets or not, there is certain splashes, certain parts that are moving really fast, and we want to drag those areas. We don't want to drag the entire sim, but we want to limit how fast the sim can get, how fast a particle can be traveling at. And what we really want is basically a velocity magnitude check. If the magnitude of the point velocity magnitude is higher than 10 or 20 or 30, we want to drag it really fast so it doesn't move past that limit. And there is a node for this in pops called pop speed limit, and this is what it does. It checks based on the velocity of the points, it starts applying drag, a very strong drag. So let's create a pop speed limit. And here we can say the maximum speed of any points is either 10, 20, or 30. We can choose whatever value we want. We're gonna do some wedges and find the setting that we want, and then this is going to start affecting. So if we set it to 5, anything below the speed of 5, which is the velocity magnitude, anything below the speed of 5 is not going to be affected. Anything higher is gonna get a really strong drag, and it's gonna slow down very quickly. And we want to test and see what value works for this sim. Okay, because if we set it too low, then we're gonna start dragging the sim uniformly across the board, but we don't want that. We want to affect only the fast moving part. So we're gonna do a couple of wedges. Let's just take a look at them. So we've done the wedges. We did a test at a max speed of 30, 20, 15, and 10. And we're gonna look at the difference, and this is the node. That's pretty much it. And let's take a look at the result. And I always like to compare the min and max. So this is 30 and this is 10. So 10 means anything that moves faster than the speed of 10, it's gonna get dragged. You can see here we're quickly dragging the entire splash. We're not getting any of this anymore. So this value is probably too high. Okay, you can see the splash here, the propagation as well is getting dragged because the points are the node is still affecting them. And then we can also take a look at this. If we compare which frame, if we compare this frame, for example, you can see we're not getting, everything is staying localized here. And this value is actually, I think, is quite high. This one is still aggressive as well because we're still dragging too much, and we're gonna use a value of 20, and it's gonna basically, we're trying to get rid of anything that is fast and exploding quickly. We don't want to change the sim drastically. We just want to be basically calm it down whenever something goes crazy. And when with a big scale like this one, you're not gonna have something that moves really fast. So we're gonna try and avoid any explosion or anything that is moving in an unnatural way, and this speed limit is just going to enforce that and help that. So we're gonna apply a speed limit of 20 in the final scene. Thank you guys for watching.